Hi friends! Today my wife and I are cooking something delicious. Привет, друзья! Сегодня мы с женой готовим кое-что вкусненькое.
We're making our favorite healthy breakfast. This is the best thing you'll eat today. Let's make it simple, fast, and delicious. Step 1. Fresh ingredients only.
She was right. Life is better when you stop trying to fit in. What's the best advice you've ever received?
Watching stars. I could walk you by and I'll tell without a thought. You'd be mine, would you mind if I took your hand tonight? No, you're all that I want this life.